Hey guys, welcome back to the pink envelope. I have the $500 Stitch Fix box that I talked about in my last Stitch Fix unboxing. You're gonna see the last one where I what led me to ordering this. You can go up here and check it out. So I went in and followed all of the tips that you guys gave me. Everything y'all left on that last video, y'all said go mark no polyester, go mark, and I went through and overhauled my style profile to include all of the tips and tricks you guys told me. I also went in to order this elusive $500 box. It says literally, Stitch Fix has a $20 style fee that goes towards the purchase of your box, and the average range price per item is $25 to $500. So I went in to find out what does a $500 box looks like. And you guys, we got that. We got ourselves a $500 box. When you go in to log in, there is no $500 price point. What you select is the $200 plus price point, and then it says, so you want to order Stitch Fix Luxe, and you check the yes box, and it shows some of the brands that are in there. So I went through on almost every category. I didn't include jewelry because I don't like getting jewelry in my box. And it said, send me $200 plus items. So I officially got my first Stitch Fix Luxe box right here. And of course, for the first time ever, I had a box bust open and it arrived with a big hole, and I was like, oh my gosh, I hope that this super expensive box, the clothes aren't messed up. I did, as you can see, already yank it open to confirm that the clothes are fine, but that scared the poop out of me. I was like, oh my gosh, I didn't want to have to go back and forth with Stitch Fix on that one. So we were lucky. Clothes are good. They also told me that Stitch Fix Freestyle is here, asked if I wanted to be a part of it and share it with you guys, and I said yes. And then I never heard from them again. So I went in and did a little snooping around, and from what I can tell, Stitch Fix Freestyle is basically they're eliminating the computer algorithm / stylist and giving you the computer algorithm to build your own box. They're making you the stylist. So if you are one of those people who likes a little more control, you may love Stitch Fix Freestyle because you can go in and see the things. This is just my synopsis of like studying. You can see the things that the stylists were getting and they would pull from to create the box, and you do it yourself. So it could be really cool. Maybe I'll try that one next. I don't know. I got my preview for my box really fast, like 24 hours later, and canned the whole preview. I either already owned it, wasn't willing to pay the price for what they were giving, or didn't like it. So 100% of everything in this box is a complete surprise because I canceled the whole preview. And in fact, I thought maybe I wasn't gonna get a box, but 1 week later this popped up. So on top, like always, is the envelope with all your information and the postage pre-done bag to make returns in. Inside the envelope, just like on the normal Stitch Fix Luxe does things the same way. Stitch Fix Luxe. That's a tongue twister. I'm realizing every time I try to say that with you guys, I'm stumbling over it. There are 5 items in my box, and the total retail value of my box is $770. The total value of my Stitch Fix box is $770. So yeah, we found that $500 box. If I buy everything in here, I save 25%, which means I save $192.50, making the box total, the 5 items, $577.50. That's a whole lot of money, you guys. I've spent that before. That's not out of range for me. I have a budget that I save for. This is my splurge area. I drive a crappy car. It's got 100,000 miles on it, but I will wear me some $300 blue jeans. So we all have our thing, right? Just like in the regular fixes, it has the style card with the outfits as well as a note from the stylist. This is a brand new stylist for me. Her name is Eliana, and Eliana curated full outfits. I got to put on 2 complete outfits, which was absolutely amazing. Instead of being like, here's a shirt, here's a pant, here's another shirt. Like my last box, there was nothing that went together, and that was super, super, super frustrating. I got no florals. Yay for no florals. I got no polyester. Yay for no polyester. I did receive a lot of black, and I'm pretty sure black is on my do not send list. Not that I don't like black, but I'm like see-through white. You'll see in a bit when I try these clothes on my belly. So when I put black on, it's just too harsh of a tone for me, but I'm not against it. I like to try it, and I did mark on my profile like push the envelope. I want to be edgy, I want to be fun. The first outfit I got is this top, the Velvet by Graham and Spencer. It is extremely soft, you guys. This top is super cute. The name of the actual top is the Orelli split neck top. I love the sleeves. The sleeve on this shirt is very similar to the sleeve I'm wearing right now. I don't think it has a wow factor. It has a little bit of a fuddy-duddy look to me. I'm not like enamored with it. And for a price point of $158, I have to be very much in love. And so this shirt for me is definitely a pass. I wish it was more edgy. I wish it was more unique for that price point. However, the jeans are absolutely awesome. The jeans she sent are Paige denim, the Verdugo ankle. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Paige denim is one of my absolute favorite. I love, love, love it. It's so soft. It has such a good stretch. It comes in a variety of colors. This particular jean is too big for me. It's a little weird because I always wear a size 2 in Paige denim, but as you can see, they're really too big. They're too loose in the leg, they're too loose in the waist, and I could size down and see if they had a 0, but these jeans are $178, which is not like I spend $178 on jeans all the time, except for right now, I currently own 40 pairs of denim. And if I buy another pair of denim, my husband's going to kill me. And I did write that on my style profile, like, no denim. I have so many pairs of jeans that even if I love them, I won't be allowed to keep them because I've got too many. So even though these are great, very much my style, a brand I love, they'll be going back just because I don't need pretty much these jeans again. Okay, so outfit 1, I think is cute. It's just not wow factor enough, but the outfit total is $336. And when I look at this top and I look at these pants together, I don't go, that's a $350 outfit. I'm like, that's a $100 outfit? So, okay. The next outfit she sent is this gorgeous black leather coat. It is even more stunning in person. I'm really hoping, I filmed it a few different times on me, that you could see how cute this is. The lining on it is different from the inside. The sleeves have the stretchy backs to them, so it's forgiving. You do not feel caught or restrained like a leather jacket sometimes can do. It's a very forgiving leather jacket. This is the Soya and Cayo Cyan leather jacket in black, $298, so it is definitely an investment piece. For cleaning it, it does say this must be dry cleaned by a leather specialist only. So it would require special cleaning, which is not altogether shocking for a good leather jacket, but it is good to note when deciding what you want to purchase and keep. Underneath that is a funny shirt, you guys. This shirt is so extremely soft, like super, super soft. Did you notice it's black on black, and I totally have black as a do not sin color, but I am liking this asymmetric cold shoulder top. But it's dual layers. Like at first I put it on wrong because it's sewn twice. Like I don't even know how to say it. You just gotta have to see here in the video. Like it's the same shirt twice, which makes it really thick, really warm. But the sleeves aren't double. The sleeves are single, just one single, but the shirt is double. So like that's not the top. So look, it's like two shirts that connect right here at the top where the cutout is, and then the rest of the top is single layer. It's so fascinating / weird. I don't even know what to call it. This shirt is only $48. That's a very fair price for the shirt. Very fair price. And then the pants I'm wearing I love. It's another brand I love, Pistola. I love their jeans. Another weird thing is I always wear a size 26 in Pistola. And as you can see here, these are too big. They all do have tags that say this is a Stitch Fix exclusive. So the only thing I can think of is Stitch Fix exclusive, run a little large. But this is the Ariel Skinny Scissor Cut Hem Jeans, $88 in a lighter indigo. I love them. I think these jeans are amazing. So this outfit that I am wearing here has a total retail value of $434. Once again, do I think this looks like a $434 outfit? No, I don't. But the majority of that is in that leather jacket, which by the way, is gorgeous. All in all, I would love to hear what you guys have to say. I'm filming this as soon as this box came in, so I have some time before I have to return the box and would love to hear. Do you think these items are worth it? Is it worth the splurge? Is this what you would think of when you think of a luxury box? In my last video, a few of you were like, it is not fair to compare Stitch Fix to Front Door Fashion and Trunk Club. And I'm gonna loop back to that because Trunk Club and Stitch Fix have the exact same price point if you wanted to. They have a range, but they start at the same price. So they're definitely very comparable. Now, adding Front Door Fashion into that initial price point is not fair because they do start at a much higher price. But I have to say, if I were to be spending $770 at Front Door Fashion, I don't think I would be having this quality of product. I don't know, I feel like I would get more out of my Front Door Fashion box. If you don't know what Front Door Fashion is, go up here, you can check a past unboxing. They're more of a luxe women's clothing brand and they're great. Okay, so let me know what you think. If you have not already, subscribe to my channel. We're constantly playing with clothes. I'm constantly listening to y'all's feedback and hearing y'all's feedback. The last 5 boxes that you guys gave me and asked me to order to share with you guys, they have all been ordered. They all come at different frequencies because some of them are quarterly boxes and they won't be here for another month or 2, but we have all of those unboxings coming soon that you guys have requested. I have the big monthly hauls coming. I do them at the end of every month. So at the end of November 28th-ish, the December haul will pop up and it's gonna be previewing boxes that you can order in December. Those are a lot of fun. If you have the notification on the little bell thing, it'll notify you when those pop up. I only post 2 to 3 times a week, so you don't have to worry about me blowing up your phone. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out and doing this Stitch Fix haul, Stitch Fix Luxe haul, where we got ourselves a $500 plus box. I can't wait to hear and read what you guys say. I hope that you have an absolutely amazing day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.